Are you tired of using the same old operating systems? Are you looking for a powerful and versatile tool for ethical hacking and penetration testing? Then look no further. This is everything you need to know about Kali Linux. Hi there, I'm your host for today, and I'm here to introduce you to the amazing world of Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a powerful and versatile operating system that is specifically designed for security professionals and ethical hackers. With its cutting-edge tools and user-friendly interface, Kali Linux is the perfect choice for anyone looking to get into the world of penetration testing and ethical hacking. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to download Kali Linux. You can download the latest version of Kali Linux from the official website, with options for 64-bit or 32-bit ISO, light or full, and various virtual machine images. You can choose the version that's right for you. Next, you'll need to install Kali Linux. Installing Kali Linux is simple and straightforward. Just insert the DVD or USB drive, boot your system, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be up and running with Kali Linux in no time. So, what can you do with Kali Linux? Kali Linux comes pre-installed with a wide range of security and penetration testing tools. From password cracking to web application security testing, Kali Linux has everything you need to get started. And, if you're new to Kali Linux, don't worry, the user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started. Just click on the Kali Linux menu in the top left corner of the screen and select the tool you want to use. With its powerful tools and user-friendly interface, Kali Linux is the perfect choice for anyone looking to get into the world of penetration testing and ethical hacking. Finally, it's important to keep your Kali Linux installation up to date. Keeping your Kali Linux installation up to date will ensure that you have access to the latest security patches and bug fixes. To update Kali Linux, just open a terminal window and type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade in quad. And that's it. Your Kali Linux installation will be up to date in no time. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Kali Linux from downloading to using. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. In future videos, we will dive deeper into the amazing world of Kali Linux, exploring its powerful tools and discovering new and exciting ways to use this versatile operating system. So, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss a beat. With your support, we'll continue to bring you the best and most informative content on Kali Linux. So, join us on this amazing journey and let's discover the power of Kali Linux together.